Hey guys, today let's learn how to disable or remove the dynamic island on your iPhone 14 Pros or Pro Maxes. So in the case that you want to go ahead and do this, unfortunately, as we speak, there is no way to completely disable that dynamic island since it is built into your screens, and that is basically the flagship feature of the new iPhone 14 Pro. Now, however, you can actually temporarily hide it by swiping on it horizontally. So if you do have your dynamic islands right here, just swipe on it horizontally to temporarily hide it for a short time. Now, this will basically disable the dynamic island for as long as the live activity session lasts. Now, the next time a live activity is initiated, of course, the dynamic island will appear. And what this means is, of course, it actually hides the dynamic island for a short time if you are currently using it. And the next time you are going to use a dynamic island with this specific application, since it will be integrated with most applications that you use on your iPhone 14 Pro, it will reappear again. And that's all for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you guys on the next video.